What's up, YouTube? Carlos, aka USS2Fast, bringing another video for you guys. I know I haven't made another video ever since I dropped my car off at the shop, and you guys are probably wondering, yo, what the hell's going on? Well, the car is done. Not completely done. I had a couple hiccups came into the mix, but everything's gonna get taken care of. But right now, my front lip is on. My GRL's diode dynamic headlights are in as well. And my brake calipers are painted gold. So right now I'm on my way to meet up with some of the guys from the crew. We're gonna go, you know, shoot the shit. It's been a while since we all got together and everything like that. So it's a beautiful day outside. I would say it's 32 degrees. Yeah, it's still fucking cold in my eyes because I'm from Florida, but it's sunny, so I guess that's what matters. So we're gonna go hang out, catch up. Like I said, we haven't met up in shit, I don't even know when's the last time we actually got together. It's been a while. It's just been cold, you know. Midwest, it's been going from 20 to 50, back down to 20, and then one day it's gonna snow, and then tomorrow it snows, and then it rains, and then it blizzards, and it hurricanes, or whatever the case. It's just been retarded with the weather. So we'll go get some Dunkin', because, you know, America runs on Dunkin', obviously. And then I'm gonna go head out, or after that, I'm gonna go meet up with the guys over at Streets of Woodfield. So, and then I'll just do a little walk around with my car. Paul from Family Cruising is gonna be there. Check out his Hellcat, and, you know, some other guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll go ahead and continue it once we get over to our spot. Paul.
Prepare to die.
Yep. So you got Paul with his new Mustang. What year is it, Paul?
2007.
So 2007 Shelby Mustang GT500. Make sure you go ahead and check him out on his YouTube channel. He's definitely gonna be tearing up the streets with this thing. Hopefully not killing anybody. So it'd be good to go. And then Marty.
I'm coming for your lady.
He's got the indigo blue Scat Pack. All right. 2018 Scat Pack. He just put a 5% tint on the sides, and then he's also got 40% tint on the front windshield. It looks absolutely sick. You can't even see him, which is awesome. This indigo blue is fantastic. In the sun, in the shade, you got to see it in person. If you haven't seen this color in person, you definitely have to check it out. The video is going to show no justice of what this color looks like, because there's different shades of the blue that you're going to notice in person, but it's still completely stock. But he's got some things in mind. But make sure you check his Instagram out. It's an indigo blue 392 on Instagram. Like I said, all right, now we're in the sun. You can definitely tell a different shade of blue, but absolutely beautiful. All right, so we're over here just in the field taking pictures. Got the cars together and everything. I apologize if there's any wind that you're going to be hearing during the video, but it's really windy out here. We got Paul, Family Cruising. He's got his drone up into the sky. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's there doing his thing. But there are the, I hope you can tell the color in this video, but right now I have my diode dynamic headlights on right now. They are blue. I'm gonna go ahead, try to hook up the Bluetooth so you can see the color changing real quick. Give me a little moment. All the cars lined up. Marty's indigo blue, Family Cruising. It's a new Mustang. Sean, Hector RT. We got Ryan's new Caddy. Sick. Sick, sick, sick. All right, so go ahead, connect. So if you're not familiar with the diode dynamic DRLs, yes, you can change them to any color. Hopefully you can see them change. I'm trying to go slow so you can catch it in the video. I'm not sure if you can though, because in the camera I'm using right now it just looks white. So right now they're purple. Go to blue. Go to red, and the red looks pretty sick too. So that's what it looks like. I absolutely love them. They're really, really freaking cool. And at the same time, if you notice closely, I got my front lip on. So that front lip is from Abaza Carbon. Got that installed. Then I'm gonna go ahead and stand back. Finally got my brake calipers painted gold. I absolutely love them. They look freaking sick. Reason I went with gold was because of the fact that the interior has gold inside it. So I wanted something different. I didn't want red brake calipers because the new 2018 Daytona's got the red brake calipers, and I didn't want to copy them. Hellcat's got the red brake calipers. Wanted something different, wanted something to stand out. So that's the reason why I went with the gold. Yep. So gold, and if you haven't noticed, the stance has changed. I did also throw on some Eibach Pro Kit springs, so no more wheel gap. Used to be able to put 4 fingers right in between. Now you can barely put 2, 1 perfectly. Still settling, but I absolutely fucking love it. I love the stance overall. It looks way nicer with the springs on it. Oh, headlights. Oh, I'll go ahead and change that color real quick. It's not what I wanted. Sweet, got the blue back on. But front lip, like I said, absolutely love it. You could definitely tell a difference in the handling of the vehicle. I did not get an alignment yet. I will be getting an alignment, but I'm not going to do so. Because I got a couple things coming up, a few announcements. I did want to wait, but I'm too excited. I can't keep the information hiding anymore. So I did get a sponsorship, rim sponsorship from Black Diamond. So if you're not familiar with Black Diamond rims, go ahead, check them out on Instagram. Huge shout out to them. I reached out to them, told them, you know, I got some things in store for my car. I go to multiple shows. I had to put in an application, everything like that. They reached back out to me, told me, love your car. We'll go ahead and provide you a sponsorship. So these bad boys, love them. 22-inch Belgian Classic 5s, but they will be going on sale here soon. So if you are interested in the tires and the rims, go ahead and message me. Hit me up on my DMs on Instagram, or leave me a comment down below. I will be putting those up for sale, rims and tires. And just a quick, these are ceramic coated. They're really dirty right now. It's been really cold. I have not been able to clean the car or anything like that, but these are ceramic coated. Okay, I have 265/30 22 Lexani all season tires in the front, and then in the back have 315/25 22 Lexani all season tires in the rear. 315/25 22. I absolutely love them. There's a little close up of the brake caliper, but yep, will be going up for sale here soon. So like I said, if you're interested, go ahead and hit me up. I'm really excited. I can't wait for these rims to come in. I went ahead and changed the whole color scheme too. I want to be different. I want to stand out. That's my biggest thing when it came to getting my Daytona. I want to be different from all the other Daytonas because your car sets your personality. So obviously it's going to fit you as a person, and you know, you make your car make it out to be. I also got something else coming in. I'm not going to say it right now, but let's just say it comes with a decal and some other items I'm going to have to install. And then what else? Also, if you're in the Chicago area, I did put in an application to go into the WEC Fest in May, I believe, at the Navy Pier. I got accepted. I will show you some proof. Check it out. Alright, so right now we're at my laptop. So there's the proof right there. Chicago, May 20th, Navy Pier Premier Automotive Gathering, WEC Fest. So I have been accepted. It says right there, your application. Come on, focus. Hopefully it'll focus here soon. Well, maybe not. Alright, well, it says your application has been approved. All right, so I will be in WECFest, which I'm pretty excited about. This is the proof right here. So welcome to the club. Your application, WECFest Chicago 2018, has been received and approved. Please read details below carefully to complete the registration process. So as soon as I got this, I already got my registration completed. I paid for everything. It was only $60 to get my car in. So pretty excited, like I said. So Sunday, May 20th, 2018. It's exactly what's going to happen. So make sure you come check me out. I will be at the Navy Pier Festive Hall. And come on, focus. You got this. Why is it not doing it? I'm sorry, we're having technical difficulties. But 600 East Grand Avenue, Chicago, Illinois, 60611. Alright, the event is completely indoors, so you know, if you want to come out, meet me if you've never met me before or anything like that. Don't really care if you just want to go have a good time. Chicago, Navy Pier, WECFest, USA. So I'm really fucking excited to be in this. And here's the proof. Obviously, if there's no proof, it didn't happen. So if you're ever in the Chicago area, I believe it's May 20th, you have to come check me out. We'll go ahead and end the show with this car, and at that point in time I will have my new rims, new tires, new other parts and everything like that, so it'll be good to go. Okay, crew chilling. So hope you like this video. Go ahead and check out the crew Instagram. Like I said, if you're interested in any of the parts that I have in my car, my rims, my tires, everything like that, hit me up a DM, Facebook me, leave me a comment down below, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll catch you on the next one.